Hello my loves, it's Kasia Planarista 101. Today we are going to be creating a spread in my dashboard layout, which is my social media planner. It is a planner called New Day and it is from 2021, so we will be redating a planner. And while I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and punch my left side because I create that myself, and then I go ahead and create a spread based off of that. So I'm gonna glue this down and we will go from there. So here we go. Now I'm gonna run my adhesive really quick and we shall get started. So it is for the week of the 7th through the 13th, and as you can see 2021, so it needs to be redated, but we are going to be using the Live Love Posh sticker book, the whimsical fall one. So that's what we're going to be doing. And if this is your first time, welcome. I really hope you like it here. If you are coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I appreciate you and spending time with me as always. So here we go. This is the stickers that I want to use. So first page, front and center. I thought, how cute would it be to create kind of this is like a muted color spread for me, because Live Love Posh usually has stickers that are screaming bright, which I love. These are a bit more muted, so that's what I am creating with. Okay, so I am adding some flowers to the spread and then all of these little barrels. It is very farmhousey, right? It feels very farmhousey. I really like this one. I think that the florals are beautiful, lined with the leaves like that. I thought that was so clever and beautiful with the colored leaves, so I really enjoy that. So I'm gonna go ahead and share this with you guys, because like I said, I thought it was so much fun. So I'm just cutting some flowers and adding them all around the edges to make sure that everything looks balanced and correct. So here we go. I'm gonna add this corner piece right here. It's gonna cover the days of the week that I'm not using. I think that's good as well. So here we go. I'm gonna keep adding these little by little, like so. Okay, great. So now I'm gonna just add some leaves into the center, because I don't want that center to be super empty. So I'm just playing with placement for the center and the inner parts of the planner, because as you can see, I've been outlining the outside of the edges but not necessarily the inside. So here we go. I'm gonna add another leaf. Let's move this up so you guys can see. And I'm just adding a couple more flowers to the edge, because like I said, I love these and I love how they look, so I'm just playing with placement. I'm almost done with this sheet, and whenever I finish a full sheet of stickers, for some reason, you guys, I feel so accomplished. Are you the same? Do you guys feel very accomplished when you finish a sticker book? And I like breakout dancing whenever I finish a whole book. So it's just something that I do, and I know it's silly, but I love it. So I pull out the second sheet, and we'll go ahead and add some more florals. I'll add a couple into here to break down the monotony of the color up there. I don't like that much white space. I do put all the videos that I film in here, so I just need a little bit of space for the schedule of releasing them. So not too bad, right? I'm gonna cut that edge off. Perfect. Okay, so now let's redate this super quick. So we're gonna start with the 7th and go all the way to the 13th. So super really quick, a redate, and then we are practically done with the spread. I hope you guys enjoyed this, because I certainly enjoyed creating this. Like I said, I think these flowers are gorgeous, and I think these leaves, the combo of the backing of the leaves is just something that I haven't seen before, done very many times, so I thought that was very clever and beautiful. So here we are with a spread, and I'm gonna go ahead and redate the year as well and add maybe 1 or 2 more leaves. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for staying with me and watching it, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for joining today, and have a great week ahead. Bye!